Steady increase in the commas. Original no be part of.
Hi guys, good morning. So I am going to the work haven to do some work. I have 3 classes today. One personal classes. I'm having an online course that I'm using to up my skills. Okay, and then having 2 classes: a one-on-one content creation session and a one-on-one importation class session. So that is going to happen today. Upload my videos because data tariff is really getting to me here. I've spent literally more than 30k in the past 2 weeks. In fact, less than 2 weeks. I've spent more than that, and I'm trying few of my friends told me about the 1*121 hash thing, and the offer they're giving me is 50k upward. I don't know why. Probably because of they've weighed my what's it called, my number, and they saw that I recharge all the time. I'm a content creator. I need data. I literally need data in all my life. I need data all the time. So yeah, I'm going to try it today again, and if they give me a better offer, I'm going to jump on it. So yeah, with that being said, let's just go right now. I need to get food also because I'm starving. I've been eating once a day and it's crazy. A lot is just going on, but I'm not going to dwell on any of that because that's not the life I choose to live this year. Okay, keep my key, and this thing literally just fell and broke. I've had this key holder for over 2 years now. This is crazy. What do you have? Jollof rice. Jollof bydels. Alibaba is different from 1688. Alibaba is for large scale purchase, while Alibaba, which is 1688, is for bulk buying. What's 1688 for? Okay, and I'll see you tomorrow. He has done it for me. Is that your testimony? Even before I pray, Jehovah Nissi answered me. So you guys, I am sweating. Okay, I don't know what NEPA are trying to do. They should not cut this light, please. I just finished doing like the major aspect of this. The curtains, I bought rails, guys. I bought rails since like over a month, but I've not had the time to like fix it. So I've done this part. Okay, since I don't have a table, I'm going to use this spout washing machine as my table moving forward. So this place and it's looking way better. Perfumes and every other thing up here. So yeah, trying to like save cost at all possible means. I don't want to spend unnecessarily because I don't have any oniburu. Okay, I don't have anybody to run to, so I'm trying to save my ass and save myself from sapa. So the only thing that I'm going to be spending money on right now is curtains. I need to get new curtains so I could use this spot as my filming spot, but I'm also going to get a table and put over there. But pending that time, I'm going to be filming on my bed. I'll change my bedspread right now, and I need to wash that teddy. Yes, I need to wash that teddy. I've had this table since 2022. I had to bring it down from Dubai to Nigeria because imagine if I had not brought it back. The prices of this small table right now, this thing, the price, hey Charlie. So yeah, I just need to clean up, like just clean up, and have my filming whatever here. I don't know what exactly to do to this space, like literally I don't know what to do to this space right now. I'm still thinking of what to do here, but for the meantime I'm hanging my wigs and the bags that I don't use, and I kept my camera in here because I wouldn't be using it for a while since I got a new phone. So my camera is back into the bag. And my shoes, I'm going to remove them from there and keep them under the bed. I'm going to be keeping them under the bed for the meantime until I get a shoe rack, because I don't like the way they're just lying lifelessly there. So yeah, I'm just going to do all of this and I'll show you guys the after when I'm done. Okay? Yeah. So the way my room is looking, so don't worry. I'm about to take over on the budget. Okay? Ah, God, please. I need money, guys. I need money. I need all the money I can get. I need money like crazy. Jesus, I need stupid money. Crazy money, because if I had money, trust me, I would have gotten this table. I saw one that was for 40k, the table and the chair, just the regular shmegula white table. I would have gotten that for 40k out of my money right now. It's gonna choke me. So no, I'm not going to do that. Instead, I'll be doing all of my editing and whatever on my bed. Okay, and my scarf is literally my backdrop for now, so I'm going to be using this and sit here and just film. And yeah, let me just clean up the room, fix my shoes and put them somewhere else. This up section too, I'm yet to figure out what to do there, but let that one just be there for now. I'm so happy that I'm able to fix this part, because hey, this is like the most confusing section that I don't know, like my skincare, my stuff, my jewelries and everything. I don't know what to do with them for a long time. I've just been very confused, and coupled with the fact that I know that I don't really have money to like start getting table and all of that, yada. So I had to like clean up this one. I've got this thing since, I'm sure you guys saw the unboxing video I did for the stuff I bought from China. So I had to like utilize it. I'm literally utilizing all the things I have right now. I cannot start wasting money unnecessarily. So yeah, let me just round up and I'll show you guys what my room looks like after this. Okay. Thank you.
You must hustle if you want to. If not finish, they won't fight.
I love you. Bye. After making the video, I'm now going to edit it. Guy, I literally recharged 20k for 150 gig today, and I'm really hopeful that this thing for 150 gig. I don't blame you. I should not leave the country now. Yeah, that's what I want to do now. Take care. Alright, bye. And the Lord be with you too.
And always remember, you are loved at home.
Yes, my love.
Love you.
Love you. Hazy. Alright, that was Elizabeth. And right now I want to make a video for, like, it's called an introduction video, basically in Chinese, but yeah, that's it. But I have to shoot like 2 reels this night. I don't know what I want to do, but I have to shoot this night by all means possible.
Sharing my life. Hey guys, my name is Kaka and welcome to my channel. So, Alibaba is waiting for.
So I'm going to explain that part to you again. Most of these Chinese suppliers, you need to be able to enter them. This is one thing you love about my class. I love to ask this so that I will know what to improve
The
on.
class is well detailed. I like the way you communicate. Yes, the way you teach. So,
I'm sorry.
you're all smiling. Yeah. Even if you want to refer my brother, you understand. Tell me why so this way you have a smiling teacher.
Right.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much.